Imagine your chemical plant's SCADA server going down at shift change, or your logistics dashboard freezing while trucks line up outside. These aren't minor annoyances, they're frontline business threats. As Kent Morris, president at Gravity Systems, puts it, without managed IT, you're rolling the dice every day. One missed update or exposed credential, and it's not just data at risk, it's revenue. With the global IT services market projected to exceed $1.2 trillion by 2025, Houston leaders know managed IT isn't about chasing trends. It's about keeping every critical process running and secure. Houston's business leaders face real pressures as remote teams stretch IT resources thin. It's not just about laptops at home. In fact, 39% of IT managers struggle to support remote security issues that pop up at all hours, creating real-world risk. 2/3 of security programs now use managed security service providers, especially in competitive mid-market sectors. And with nearly half of enterprises building green metrics into their managed services agreements, IT teams must now deliver performance and track carbon impact. Every new device, app, or cloud tool opens another doorway for threats. For Houston's healthcare, energy, and logistics leaders, it's about building systems that speed up operations while protecting what matters. Managed IT partners familiar with your industry can lock down endpoints and coach staff, so your teams spend more time on real work and less on troubleshooting. Companies adopting Zero Trust with managed support are seeing 83% reduced security incidents and lower support costs. Operational resilience means keeping your doors open and teams productive when the unexpected hits. Pinpoint your IT risks, work with support that understands your industry, train your staff regularly, and make sure your service agreements include clear metrics for resilience and sustainability. If you want to scale securely and keep your business moving forward, read the full article and add this to your playlist.